Good evening, Mr. Birch. Today I'll be correcting the number 11, which is the demand function problem. To fix this, we'll plug it into the revenue function, which is R of P equals D of P times 2. And once we get that, we will plug it in with our numbers, which is R of P equals 10, and then we add the P after each. 10 of P minus 0.5 P squared. And that is our answer for part A. Let's rewrite it over here. And that's the answer for part A. Okay, next we'll be solving what price maximizes revenue for part B. To do that, we'll be using this formula is negative B over 2A, and then we would plug our parts A and B into that. So negative B will just be positive 0.5, so they cancel out. 2A is 2 times 10, that's just 20. And then that will go to 0.025, and that's the price we need to sell at to maximize revenue. It is, what, 2.5 cents? Okay, for part C, we'll be finding the maximum revenue, and to do that, we'll use the equation A of R squared plus B of R, which A is that 10, so 10R is our maximum revenue, 0.025, square that, plus B, which is the 0.5, negative 0.5, so we would just minus 0.5, the R is another 0.25, and then plugging this all into Desmos, because my calculator is still broken, I got negative 0.00625. That's my answer for that. So the maximum revenue is negative 0.00625. Okay, for part D, we need what price must the items be sold at to have a revenue of 0. To do that, we'll start back with this. So it's R of P equals 10P minus 0.5P squared. And then we'll set this equal to 0, so 10P minus 0.5P squared equals 0. And then we want to put the P outside, so to make this one equal 0. So it would be 10 minus 0.5P equals 0. And then this one we don't need because it equals 0 since it's on the outside. And then we'll just solve for P. So 10 minus 0.5P equals 0, minus 0.5, which would make 10 equal P. So we want to divide them. So it'd be P equals 10 over 0.5, which would give us 20. So to have our items, to get a revenue of 0, we would sell our items at $20 because there's no demand for them at that point. No one's going to buy them for that expensive. All right, here we go.